Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a wavy text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a wavy text in Canva can add a fun and creative touch to your designs. Let me tell you that Canva doesn't have a built-in wave text feature, but of course we are going to show you how you can achieve this effect by manually adjusting individual letters or some workarounds. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can start from a business, social media, education, video, or print products. But if you want to start from scratch, just click on the create a design. Now in my case, I'm going to start with a photo here. I'm going to add a small background or just for make it interactive. How about this one right here? Okay, now I'm going to go to the text in the left side panel and go to the say heading, right? I'm gonna delete the background. Maybe I'm going to choose this instead. Okay, so this is gonna be the first way for you to be able to make a wavy text, right? What I'm going to do is I'm gonna delete this one for now. I'm gonna decrease the size from, let's say, 30, so it's a lot easier to check. All right, I want you to go to the effects section and go to the curve. All right, so now in the curve, as you can see, you have plenty of room for okay, so this is going to be one way. All right, then I'm going to copy this text right here. Like this one. And I'm going to press the effects again to create a curve. See that one? All right, so hold on. Let's make it. Let's go to the effects. We want it to be a little bit curved. There you go. See that? That is the quickest way for you to be able to create a wavy text here in Canva. All right. Again, after positioning the letters in a wavy form, you can simply adjust the spacing between them. Say, for example, this, right? So that they looks evenly distributed. Then, as you can see, looks like we achieve the wavy text here in Canva. All right. All right, there you go. Once you're happy with it, you might want to click on the share button, click on download as PNG or JPEG, and if you wanted to share this to your client, just click on the copy link right here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.